Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this video, we'll demonstrate the simplest way to connect a light using a relay. In our case, we're using a mechanical relay, but you could also use a solid-state relay instead. First, we connect the mechanical relay, ensuring the system is powered off. We begin by connecting the phase to the common terminal of the relay. Then, we connect one of the light's terminals to the normal open terminal of the relay, and the other terminal to the neutral wire using a quick connector. Now, we connect the relay's input terminal to the controller output. The other terminal of the relay is connected to the ground, GND. With everything connected, we power the system back on. As you can see, the power light and the PIERRE indicator both light up. We wait for the controller to turn green, indicating it's online. Now we proceed to create the configuration. We open the partner app and select our controller. Next, we go to the outputs and create a new light device, naming it Light 1. The default role is set to Academy, and we choose the Academy dashboard. Since the controller is connected to pin 1, we select pin 1. We save the configuration and submit it. Then we go to the user app where Light 1 immediately appears. The controller downloads the configuration and we can test it. As you can see, the light works perfectly and instantly. That's it. Thank you for watching PIERRE Academy.